In this video, I'm going to recap county function that we have already covered in session 3. We are going to create column graph, bar graph, and pie graph using Excel. We are also going to use add chart elements to add chart title, axis titles, and data labels. Now go to session 4 and download this Excel file under session 4. Now first of all, before we analyze this data, we are going to use county function. So type smoking status, and number of students. So there are, if we use a filter, note that there are 3 types of smoking status: ex-smoker, non-smoker, and smoker. So we type this down: ex-smoker, non-smoker, and smoker. Now, so we are going to use county function here. So what county function will do is that county function will go through this list and count how many ex-smokers are in this list. County function will go through this list and count how many non-smokers are in this range of cells, and county function will go through this same range of cells to count how many smokers are there. So because count is a function, we type equal, and then we type the function name, COUNTIF, COUNT. Okay, so this is county function. Double click county function. Now county function have only 2 arguments: the range and the criteria. So our range now will be all the cells that contain the data, and it's an absolute cell reference. So press F4 or hold down Fn key and press F4. And then to go to the next argument, type comma and click the criteria that we want to count is ex-smoker. Leave ex-smoker C4, which is ex-smoker, is a relative cell reference because it have to relatively change to C5 and C6. Press enter. Use fill handle, and we should have something like this. So this is our frequency table. Again, use borders. Let's draw the border, and you are done with the county function. Now the next thing is to create a column chart from this county function. So highlight the frequency table, go to insert tab, choose recommended charts, and choose the first one, the column chart. Say OK. So title for this chart will be DW students smoking status, and to add chart elements, we come here, we click this, or we can also click this, add chart elements, but I prefer we use this one. Click on it and click axis titles and data labels as well. So our x-axis will be smoking status, y-axis number of students. Go to the next chart. Again, we create a frequency table. So car colors and number of cars. Use filter. So we have black, blue, brown, green, gray, red, silver, white. So type black, blue, brown, green, gray, red, silver, white. Black, blue, brown, green, gray, red, silver, and white. Just confirm that we have typed everything correctly. So black, blue, brown, green, gray, red, silver, and white. And again, we use counting function, but in this case I'm going to use naming range of cells method. So before using the counting function, I will highlight this data, highlight everything, and then go to name box, click inside name box and type car underscore colors and press enter. Car underscore colors and press enter. Now this range of cell is now called car colors. So when I use equal countif function, equal countif, instead of highlighting the range of cell, I simply have to type the name for the range of cell, and the name is car color. So you Excel already have this name. Double click, comma, what do we want to count? Black. Press enter, and it should give you something like this. So this is our frequency for its colors. Now take note that brown is 0. It's not supposed to be 0. So just go and find from the list of the data where brown is. Okay, here. Click on it, copy, Control C for copy, and then come back, go to brown and paste. Okay, so it's now 27. Draw borders. To erase border, click erase border and erase the border. Click on it again to make it inactive. Background color black, font color white, bold it. And to create a bar chart, simply highlight the frequency table, go to insert, recommended charts, bar, say OK. Chart title, car colors in Mering. Add axis titles as well, and data labels. So axis title is the x-axis will be number of cars, number of cars, and y-axis will be car colors. Car colors. Number of cars. You can choose different design. Okay. Go to the next one, block type. Again, we will type the block type, and we use filter, and there are 4 different types of blood. So we have A, B, B, and O. So we type A, B, and O. Number of inductees. Let's say I'm inductees. Number of inductees. Again, I'm going to use naming range of cell method. Highlight. Go to name box. Type blood underscore type. Press enter. Equal COUNTIF. Double click COUNTIF function. The range will be blood type. Double click blood type, comma, and the criteria will be A. Use fill handle, and again draw the borders. Finally, we create the pie chart by highlighting the frequency table. Go to Insert tab, find pie chart, click on it, say OK, and this is your pie chart. Make sure you use the design that have percentage values, and the title will be blood type for 25 army inductees. Now at your own time, I want you to complete the Trust Internet using COUNTIF function to create a frequency table, and then highlight the frequency table to create either bar, pie, or column chart.